Hey friends! Welcome to another Saturday. Oh my god, medyo masakit yung dito ko. I don't know. Kasi naglinis ako kanina. Tapos gumamit ako ng Zonrox. Parang masakit dito. But naka-on naman yung yung exhaust. So I don't know what happened. Patayin ko muna pala tong humidifier kasi aalis kami. It's like anong oras na ba yan? 3:30 in the afternoon. Ayoko sanang umalis kasi may gagawin pa akong marami, but Rookie said na kailangan kong samahan daw siya. Pupunta siya ng dentist. He cannot see me well. Kailangan niyang pumunta ng dentist daw kasi na yung ipin niya, yung parang nag-crack yung may filler na ipin niya. So ayun. So I'm ready. Tapos nagmabilisan lang akong kasi I really don't wanna go. Kasi yun nga man, marami pa akong gagawin. But yeah, sabi ko sa kanya, we need to like, oh, where's my key? We need to hurry. Kasi baka mag-ano na naman kami ng yung parang mapupunta na naman kung saan-saan. Tapos, I'm sitting here. Like, ayun, where's my key? So, yun nga. Sabi ko sa kanya, can we just hurry, okay? Because I need to do something. So, ayan, hopefully, babalik kami ng siguro alas 5 na yun. So, yeah guys, today is still very cold. Kahapon, nag-snow. Yeah, and medyo malamig na naman today. But hopefully, sa mga dadaan ng mga araw, magiging na siya. Hindi na masyadong malamig kasi I cannot tolerate coldness. So ayun, so I'm just gonna go downstairs kasi hinihintay na ako ni Rookie. Ayan ang aking mga sampay. Naglaba ako ng kumot. The question now here, kung matutuyo ba sila? Ayan o. Diba? Bonggay. He's now going to the dentist. Takot na siya. Ding dong. I need to change our shoes. Low orange na orange. Yes. That's my shoes. Huh? Okay. Now he is explaining. Explaining his situation. So now the struggle is starting. Let me see your face. Yumeru ka? Yumeru? Kakeru? We're out now from the dentist. He's pangag na. Bully. Ang bilis lang. Sabi ng sabi na nung una, 5:30 pa daw maghintay. Sigurado, di man good 5:30. Parang, di man 5:30 ang sulti. Sa babae. Nung gawa karanay ka?
Kujihang magod.
Kujihang? Ninen? Kujihang? Made ilang
Mada kanang mabalik daw 5:30 ha? Ano ko ha?
But why are you why is she like
na lang?
Yeah. Because you don't have an appointment kasi you just run over.
Basig kuan ba na?
So here's the Kit Kat. Look, Kit Kat apple. Kit Kat milk strawberry. Ang daming variant. Meron din ganito na yung regular na strawberry na Kit Kat. And they have a lot of colors to choose from. Oh. Sorry. Nagwala. Diba? Ang cute. Wow! Oh my god. Look what I got bumped into. Ang sarap nito. Yan oh. Tapos yan. I'm gonna get this one. Ang sarap tingnan. Oh gosh, looks delicious. And it's only 298. Ito na lang kaya. Tapos yung strawberry looks so inviting. Ayan oh. Diba? Dosuru. Ang daming ano. Ang daming food eh. What will I get? Mas meron pa dito sa taas. Ayan. Dosuru. So I think I'll get this. And also I got the apple rainbow KitKat. Ayan. Now let's go to the CT drink section. Where is that? So I'm gonna get this one. Suntory. Hi bro, look what I found. That one. What's gonna be your reaction? That's a cake.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy this ano to, Suntory. No, I don't wanna eat pajilla. It's like ano. So I'm just gonna have coffee here sa Georgia. And I'm waiting for a coffee. Got my cup. It's processing. And now it's like open. Okay. This is this. Hey, so this is not a very pleasant sight because my mask is taped nandito sa aking chin. But nandito kami sa Shimamura. Kita nyo ba? Yan, Shimamura. And yeah, papasok kami. But before that, I'm just gonna finish my coffee kasi bawal yung drink sa loob. Ang sarap ng ano, caramel macchiato. This is my favorite guys na from Georgia, yung coffee na may caramel macchiato. Medyo ano, hindi siya masyadong matamis compare sa ano yung sa Boss. Mapait tapos matamis. What happened to my ano back? You ha? And then Rookie is eating hopya sa ano hapon, no? Masarap yung parang ano ba? I'm just gonna remove this because this is bothering me. The mask is bothering me.
Okay na kaya ang taste.
No, momento mong paliton sa una. Lain sa to. Diba margin na to? But masarap yung hopya sa hapon guys. And it's starting to like ano, snow. Pero hindi siya yung snow na snowy talaga. Para siyang yellow water.
I like yung nani.
What do you like?
Just like this. Snowing but not slippery.
Snow na water?
What?
Snow. My water na snow. Oh, hey, we're home. Gonna show you what I got from Balor. So, this is gonna eat para sa aking dinner. Kumain na si Rocky. Nauna na siya. So, eto yung usually na anong tawag nin? Binibili ko from Balor. Yeah, and then I bought a cheese para ilagay dito sa taas. And then,
Honey, butang niyo?
no, I don't like that. On my pizza. I wanted to try this KitKat, yung ano Ringo or apple na KitKat. Maraming ano, yung strawberry na strawberry milk pala. But
Strawberry.
I already know the ano. What? Unggoy. maraming yung strawberry. I already tried the strawberry flavor, so better try this apple flavored one. Shinshu apple. I don't know what that means, pero ang mahal. This is like 214 yen and 10 lang yung laman niya. I also got yung mochi. I really like this one, yung mochi nila. Ganito, may beans sa loob. And also, guys,
What?
saw this one. This is an oat milk.
What? Oats milk?
Hindi oat milk. Oats na milk. I don't know how this tastes, but this one is sugar free. Ayan yung ito pala, yung ito na sign is sugar free. Hopefully masarap siya. Yeah, I don't know. But let's see the yung inerogi. Inerogi is calorie. Ayan, 40 calorie lang yung per serving na 100 ml. Per serving is 40 calorie lang. So it has a lot of, vitamins and minerals. Sabi pa dito, good for you. Ayan. O, diba? I don't know what they said. But B2, B12, at saka D daw. Tapos, chichibureche. Ayan. So, pwede siya pang ganito daw. Wow, pizza? Really? Pang mo? Tapos, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa coffee. Ayan. Diba? Oh, diba? Pwede ba? I don't know. Mochiron suru no mama. Oh, mochiron suru mama demo. Oh, sabi niya daw. Diyan. But yeah, this is the oats meal. Hopefully, masarap siya. And one last thing, I wanted to show you my favorite cheese. Sorry for the clutter inside the fridge, but I wanted to, hindi ko pala favorite, pero I wanted to try this one, yung sa QBB na, hindi na makita yung, ano ba to? Basta eto na na cheese. Hindi ko. Zora? Gorgonzola? O ganyan siya na cheese. Hindi ko pa alam kung masarap pa ito. And then, yung favorite ko na eto. Cream cheese nila. And then, I also have another favorite. Wag kang mahulog. Eto, yung ano yan? Camembert na na cheese. Ayan. Meron ba itong English? Bakit yung iba may may alphabet, tapos eto wala? Nande. Diba? Premium. Pero magkaparehas lang yung price nila. This is 98 yen. And then my favorite chocolate, which is the orange bitter chocolate. So ngayon, I'm going to put my pizza sa oven toaster. But unlike yung usually that I do is yung nilalagay ko yung cheese, tapos nilalagay ko siya sa toaster. But I found na pag nilagyan ko siya ng maraming cheese, nagme-melt yung cheese and then nag-spread siya all over the toaster. Kaya what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put yung pizza muna sa toaster. And then, kasi ayokong lagyan nung parang harang dito yung yung pizza, kasi hindi siya nasusunog. Gusto ko kasi yung sunog na pizza. Sabi nila, okay, ba't ko daw gusto yung sunog? Well, I really like sunog na pizza. So, papaanuin ko muna siya para hindi matunaw yung cheese. Hindi ko muna siya lalagyan ng cheese. Pero, para hindi nga matunaw yung mga cheese. At hindi siya mag-spread sa pababa. And then, but eto, yung basil na na sauce, ilalagay ko na siya. Para macharap. Or, ato de mo desu ne.
So ne.
Kore, ne. Ato de daijoubu ka? Kawaranai na ne. Kawaranai? Ato de mamaya na to. So, I'm just gonna put this inside the toaster. That's the pizza. There's my pizza. Let's go. Magpakabait ka, pizza, ha? Sorry for this kasi ano yan, yung nag-toast ako ng tinapay kanina. So, yung setting ni pizza is, kita nyo ba? 500 watts. 17 to 20 minutes. So, 500 watts. But, ang tagal niyan, gawin ko na lang 750 para ano, kasi parang cook naman na yan eh. Hindi naman talaga siya na raw na ano, na pizza. So, yeah, 750. And pag feel ko na parang nasunog na, I'm just going to change it into 500 watts. Ayan. Okay. And while waiting for my pizza to get ready, I'm just going to quickly show to you what I got from Valor. Kasi I bought something from Valor. Binilhan ako ni Rookie. Thanks, sweet! Sabi na, titingin lang ako. Kasi may clearance sale sa Akano rin. Tapos, okay. And then, end up buying something. Diba? Wow. Kanimuchi ka. Mite. Busy siya. So, I'm gonna quickly show to you what I got. Okay? So, here's my bag. Konti lang naman. But, anong tawag niya? Nagpunta diba kami ng Shimamura, but I end up not buying something there. Kasi, may finit ako, pero hindi ko na siya masyadong bet. Okay naman siya, but, hindi talaga yung gustong-gusto ko. And, if sana, siya, yung medyo, let's turn on the humidifier pala. If sana medyo mura siya, then I will get it. But, it's not mura, kaya hindi ko na lang siya binili. But pag lang, hintayin ko na lang na mag-sale pag sana meron kayo. So parang 3 lang naman yung nabili ko from Akano rin. So eto yun. I saw this dress pang springtime kasi malapit na yung spring, guys. And then kaya nga nagki-clearance sale na sila sa mga nila, yung mga pang winter na clothes. It's because malapit na yung spring. It's already mag-February na, so there are a lot of spring clothes na. Tapos din pag ang weird kasi dito kasi pag yung palapit na yung season, may sale din. Medyo mura yung mga pang, di ba, pang mag-spring na, so mas mura yung pang spring na na clothing. So I got this yung eto lang, white dress na ganyan yung itsura niya. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but ganyan yung itsura niya. Parang 3/4 and then yan, tapos mahaba to up to my yung parang 3 hindi pala 3 sister cut to, tap 2 sister lang pala na cut kasi 1, 2. I don't know if you are familiar with a 3 sister cut na na skirt, but this is more like a 2 sister cut na na skirt. Ayan, pang springtime. Yan yung itsura niya. Maganda siya, and it's all white. Sana pag sinuot mo to, dapat careful ka talaga kasi puti. Yung isang kulay nito is more of a beige, yung dark na beige, pero I don't like that on me. Mas gusto ko puti kasi mas clean looking. Ayan, o diba, bongga. And this is ang ganda ng material na it's thick kasi pang spring nga siya, hindi siya pang summer, but definitely okay naman siya sa summer. Tapos yung price niya is eto, guys, 1,370 yen. O, diba? Mura lang. Usually, pag mga yung nasa season na talaga, this goes like 1,900. But since upcoming pa nga yung spring, kaya medyo pa siya, mura. So, a tip for you all, if you are here in Japan, tapos, if you want to buy like upcoming season na na clothes, so you better buy, kunyari, mag-spring. So, if you want to buy spring clothes, then better get it during the winter or yung patapos na yung winter. Tapos if you wanna buy naman clothes na pang summer, and then you better buy it during springtime kasi mas mura pa sila. Or patapos na yung patapos na yung summer or pa winter naman, or kunyari pa gusto niyo magbili ng spring na clothes, bilhin niyo siya pag patapos na din yung spring or summer na, kasi mura lang. But yung nga lang, yung downside lang pag binili mo yung spring clothes during sa summer na, is konti na lang yung sizes na mapagpipilian mo, as well as with yung pang summer tapos bibilin mo na siya pang during autumn. Medyo konti na lang din yung sizes or yung choices na pagpipilian mo. So much better buy before sa season yung gusto mong bilhin na damit, kasi you have a lot of choices pa talaga. Yung palabas pa yung mga clothes pang kunyari pang spring or pang summer, tapos yung mga sizes marami pa talaga. So that is my tip if you are here in Japan, if you want to buy clothes. And then since I am looking for, diba, yung last video ko, nagpunta ako ng Gio, pero wala akong mahanap yung shoes na pang lang, pang madalian, tapos hindi masyadong OA na shoes. And then, I wanted something na yung parang, lang, yung mura din, kasi the next season, I'm not gonna wear this because I'm gonna wear the hell out of these shoes, kasi most probably I'm gonna wear it every time. So I don't wanna buy something na mahal and then the next season hindi ko na siya magamit. Unlike with yung mga like anong tawag niyan, rubber shoes, yan pwedeng medyo kamahalan, like punta ka ng mga branded like Nike or whatnot. Pero pag mga yung pang madali ang sapatos lang para sa malamig na panahon, I don't wanna spend too much. So, eto yung nabili ko from Akano rin. Ayan, chining! Pang lang, pang everyday, na lakad. Yung kunyari, nagkakaymuno. What is kaymuno? Shopping for, shopping. Shopping yung kaymuno. Ayan, eto lang siya. Eto yung itsura niya. Very simple, yung parang ganyan, para. Tapos yung loob niya is yung yung may balahibo. Kasi pang pang cold season. Tapos, guess what? Magkano ito mga friends? Yan. Ito pala yung niya. Yung sa paa. Sa sole. Tapos sa side, ganyan yun. No? Diba? Simple. I'm not a high-heeled girl. Hindi ko kaya sapatos ng may heel. Hanggang ganito lang. Flat shoes girl talaga ako, mga friends. So, ito yung front. Yung drama naman ng yung price. Ayan. Ito yung itsura sa front. Looks hideous. And then, the price. Ding, ding, ding. Shading. Oh, yung niya, yung una niyang price is like 1,100. Bakit ganyan? 1,000. Kita nyo ba? 1,170. Tapos, naging na lang siya. 700. O, diba? Bongga. 700 na lang. Murang-mura mga kaibigan. O, diba? Kaya, binili ko siya. And then, last but not the least. Sorry if I'm gonna show this to you, but eto, bra. Bra. Oh, by the way, yung size ko sa sapatos is M. Size M pala to mga kaibigan. Tapos eto din yung dress is size M din. And then of course yung din yung bra is size M. Size M pa rin. And guess what? This is only where's that price? 100 yen. Yun. Parang nasunog na yung aking pizza. Wait. So, I'm gonna put a little cheese on top and it may melt. Oh gosh, this is like so yan. I'm just gonna Because I really like my pizza to have a lot of cheese on it. Pero, saglit ko lang siya i-toast kasi baka mag-melt nga. Diba? I don't wanna, you know, make tagak-tagak it on the side. Just wanted to melt slightly. Yeah, baka okay na siguro yan, no? I think that's enough. I think that's enough, bro. Too much cheese will not kill you. Diba? Okay. So, I'm just gonna heat it up again. Like, yeah, 500. Oh. Tapos madali lang. 2 minutes. Ganyan. There's my pizza. And I'm just gonna slice it. Sana ma-slice ko to ng mabuti. Oh my god. It's not. Mandar siya. Kasi I'm holding the phone. And then I cannot slice it like ano ba yan? Chotomate. Babalik ako mga friends. Uy, open na lagi ni. Wait lang. So now, it's time to eat my food. I'm gonna try this, yung, eto nga, sana masarap siya. But, and also, yung yung ito, yung, sana masarap din siya. Eto. Whew. For sure, hindi ko siya maubos. So, I'm just gonna put Tabasco on my pizza. Because Tabasco is life. But hindi naman masyadong marami. Ano lang. Kasi masarap talaga yung pizza pag medyo nainghing. I'm gonna eat pizza? No. Rocky doesn't eat pizza.
No, I don't like.
Wow, the cheese is like, oh, look at that. Sarap. It's so much sarap, guys. Right? Really much sarap. Hi, Rookie. Wow, mamahalin si Rookie. Doesn't want to be in the camera. Just his hand. We have a tissue. Thank you. Sorry for the inconvenience. So I'm gonna try the oat milk. Wish me luck kung masarap to. Doesn't smell anything at all. Yeah, walang smell. So here we go. Cheers! It tastes like the same with the almond milk, pero yung almond milk kasi may parang a little sweetness siya, pero ito parang okay lang, parang yeah. Masarap siya, masarap. Parang yung 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 pinagugasan ng bigas.
What? Can I have a taste?
Wait, oh, I like it. I'm gonna buy another. Highly recommend this one, guys. Ito yung from Alpro na oat milk. I like the taste. So I'm back. I was trying to to open yung cake. Pero ito yung nangyari. Siya, parang natunaw, I guess. Dapat ko siyang ilagay. Pero nasa ref naman siya. Pero, yeah, I don't know what happened. Pero, ito, naging disaster. I'm just gonna eat yung nandito sa yung parang ang sarap ng ng cream niya. You're gonna take a look at it. Yung buong ito is purong it's all like cream or frosting, tapos sa baba lang yung cake, you know. I guess. Oh, diba? Ayan. Tastes so good, guys. Wow. Magkano ba to? Mura lang. 298 yan. Ang charap. Ang charap. So, I'm gonna try yung ano, KitKat ni Apple. Masarap kaya to? Let's try the KitKat Apple. Ang liit! Oh my god, it's so cute! FYI mga friends, ano, yung KitKat is 214 yan na. Tapos ang liit, 10 lang yung ano, yung laman niya is only 10 pieces. Unlike before, ang daming laman, ang laki ng ano, tapos malaki yung KitKat, pero ang liit. Pero eto pala, ang liit niya. Parang ano na lang siya, half ng size ng KitKat before. O, diba? Cross-cutting na din yung price para hindi masyadong mamahal. So, ayan, oh, ang liit-liit na niya, guys. If I'm going to compare it sa aking finger, hanggang dyan na lang siya. Diba? Hanggang dito yung, ano, yung KitKat before, diba? Tapos siya, see that? Hanggang dyan na lang. So, I'm gonna try now.
Can I have one?
Masarap. Masarap yung KitKat na apple. It tastes interesting. Very interesting na taste. Masarap yung combination pala ng apple tsaka yung chocolate. Mochi. Yan. But I need my tea now because it's so sweet. Everything is so sweet. I need my tea.
Ang sarap.
Meron akong ano dito sa sides. Naubos na. Bye.